Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a technique that helps me create content that actually converts. It's kind of an intro to copywriting, but these techniques will help you generate more content that will help you be relevant to your prospects and kind of help you clarify your offers as well. So anyway, let's jump right into it. All right, let's jump right in and see how to create marketing content that converts. This is a formula that will help you create content that grabs attention and it builds your value proposition. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is do a little research in thinking about your prospective customer. You see, what you've got to do is you've got to find ways to differentiate yourself. You don't want to be a commodity. You've got to stand apart from the competition and create value. You got to answer the question of why would they want to use you? Why should they listen to you? Because it's all about your why. Now, this phrase is very powerful. People don't buy without a reason why. See, they need a motivator. They need an emotional trigger. And the top 5 reasons that motivate people I've found are making money, saving time, avoiding effort, and getting more comfort. So what you need to do is ask yourself, how will your product or service, right, fill in the blank there, do these things? How can we help them make more money? How can you help them save money? Can you actually help them save time? How can you help them avoid either effort or pain? And it's a good idea to get really in touch with that pain point. As a matter of fact, what I've done in the past as an exercise is I will go in and Google problems with whatever my target audience is, right? So if I'm looking for people that are interested in refinancing their house and I'm trying to create content that might be attractive to them, I want to point out some of the pain, right? Some of the pains that they might have as far as, you know, what kind of struggles would they have with picking a mortgage lender, or why possibly haven't they refinanced yet? Is it some sort of a fear-based thing or whatever? So if you Google about the pain that or problems in a certain industry, you'll be able to come up with some good ideas. And the last one, of course, is how you can allow them more comfort. And if you come up with 10 answers to these questions and then tie them together with your offers, headlines, and your call to action, because when your offer is clear and the pain it will alleviate or avoid is clear to your target audience, you will leave nothing to chance. Your marketing will hit dead on, and it'll be much easier to convert those prospects into clients. Now, how to implement this, right? So you've come up with your spreadsheet and you've got your ideas about the pain points or the ways you're going to help them make money or save money or whatever. So now you've got somebody in your chatbot, for example. Somebody's in your messenger funnel, and now you want to send a follow-up message within the 24-hour window. Now, go ahead and refer back to your list and offer some more content around a pain point or around a solution that you can help solve for them. Maybe you could ask them to sign up for a one-time notification when you release another video or offer, or have an update or something like that. See, the trick is what you're trying to do is keep that conversation going, and one-time notifications will help you do that. So that might be something that you could do. Now, of course, you could also use a different model where if you fall outside of that 24-hour window, hopefully you've captured their phone number and now you can send them a text message. SMS marketing, now available through ManyChat, will allow you to send them a text message letting them know that you've created more content that might help them. You can offer them more content. Like in my marketing niche where I help mortgage loan officers get more home buyers and refinances, what I do is I offer them the opportunity to get home buyer information or market updates or, debt to income ratio solutions, or whatever their problem is, whatever that client's problem is. I offer them solutions. And like I said, if they fall outside the 24-hour window, you can always send them a text or an email and get them back into the fold. So my point here is that you will not run out of content if you focus on the top 5. So how can you help them make money? How can you help them save money? How can you save them time? And how can you help them avoid effort or pain? And how can you allow them more comfort? Taking a deep dive into answering these questions and coming up with 10 or 20 answers to these questions, you'll have content topics available for months that actually offers value to your prospects. And that's the kind of content that's going to help you convert more customers. Okay, so that about wraps it up. And of course, there's a lot more going into writing good copy, but at least this gives you some ideas and a good place to start, right? So that you can make those offers more clear, so that you can offer your value proposition more clearly to your prospects and drive those conversions. Now, if you have any questions about anything, go ahead and send me a message. I've got my Ask Me Anything bot link down below in the description. Take care. Till next time.